Today we work hard, little one.
Yes, Monkey Uncle. Let's milk the cow. Moo, ready. Everything looks good, little one.
Yes, we're ready.
Patience is key. Gentle hands.
Fresh milk is so delicious.
Good job, friends.
Let's start milking, little one.
Patience is key. Gentle hands.
Like this, Uncle?
Yes, careful now.
Good job, friends.
Fresh milk is so delicious.
Teamwork makes it so easy.
Exactly. Great work today.
Yes! We did it!
Let's gather everything we need carefully.
Yes, I'll carry the bottles.
Precision is key, little one.
I'll make sure everything fits perfectly.
Hold it steady, little one.
Got it, Uncle.
Our factory is coming to life.
It looks amazing.
Make sure the machines are stable.
All bottles are clean and ready.
This will make our factory look official.
Perfect. Very colorful.
Let's see if everything works. It's working perfectly.
Excited for your factory.
We're almost done.
Our milk empire is growing.
Today, our first batch begins.
I can't wait to see it work.
Remember, gentle hands.
Yes, Uncle.
All labels are perfect. Here comes our first batch.
Wow! We did it!
Everything is running smoothly. Look at this, our first batch.
We did it, Uncle.
What a beautiful morning. Time to start a new farm day.
Let me grab my tools. Can't farm without these.
Good morning, Monkey Uncle. I woke up early today. Are we going to the farm?
Yes, little one. Big work today. Hop in your car.
Ready?
Ready! Let's go!
Drive safely, little farmer.
Your tractor is so big.
And your car is so tiny.
The village chickens are awake.
Haha, yes! Everyone starts early on the farm.
This forest looks magical.
Stay close, okay? We're almost at the field.
Oh no! Monkey,
She looks hurt.
Yes, something attacked her. We need to help.
Oh no. Monkey, she looks hurt.
Yes, something attacked her. We need to help.
Oh no. Monkey, she looks hurt.
Yes, something attacked her. We need to help.
Help, please. Monkey Uncle. She's hurt badly.
Don't worry, little one. We're here.
It's okay. We'll help you. Thank you.
This is a deep scratch. We need Dr. Rabbit.
Should I get the basket ready? Yes, quickly. She'll be safe on this.
Blanket ready, Monkey Uncle.
Moo, it hurts.
Just a little more. You can do it.
Hold tight, everyone.
I'm right here, Cow. Will I be okay?
You'll be perfect. We have the best doctor.
Rabbit!
Emergency.
We brought her fast. A deep scratch, but treatable.
Thank you, Doctor. Bravery star for you.
Moo. Thank you. Meow, amazing.
Back home, friends!
Today was a hero day.
Moo, help, please.
Monkey Uncle, she's hurt badly.
Don't worry, little one. We're here. I'll support her.
We'll get you safe, Cow Auntie. This is a deep scratch. We need Dr. Rabbit.
Should I get the basket ready?
Yes, quickly. Moo, it hurts.
Easy, slowly, we'll make it.
You can do it. I'm right here.
Monkey Uncle. Bring her here quickly. Take it slow, little one.
Almost there. You're doing great.
Thank you.
We're right here, Cow Auntie.
Step by step.
Almost there. Careful. Hold on tight. You're safe now.
Oof.
Thank you.
Yes, you did it. Good job.
Well done, brave one.